What's up, everybody? This is Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the Microsoft 365 Certified Fundamentals examination. So let's get into it. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses rely on robust, scalable, and secure cloud solutions to empower their workforce and streamline operations. Microsoft 365, which is a comprehensive suite of productivity tools, stands as a cornerstone for many organizations, offering a wide range of applications and services tailored to meet diverse business needs. However, leveraging these tools effectively requires not just understanding their functionalities, but also tapping into the support infrastructure Microsoft provides. Support offerings for Microsoft 365 services are integral to ensuring organizations maximize their return on investment and maintain seamless operations. In this video, we're going to dive into the available support options, service level agreement concepts, service health monitoring, and the feedback mechanisms organizations can utilize to improve their experience with Microsoft 365 services. All right, so let's talk about some support options for Microsoft 365 services. So Microsoft offers a tiered support structure designed to cater to businesses of all sizes and technical capabilities. So here's an overview of the primary support options. The first one is the self-help resources. So Microsoft provides extensive documentation, how-to guides, and video tutorials through platforms like Microsoft Learn and the Microsoft 365 support website. And the key resources include the following. So you have Microsoft Learn. This is an interactive learning platform where users can share insights and solutions. We have the community forums. These are peer-to-peer discussions where users can share insights and solutions. You have help articles. These are step-by-step guides for troubleshooting common issues. Then you have what is called a virtual agent support. This is an AI-driven chatbot for instant assistance with frequently asked questions. And these resources, they empower users to resolve basic issues independently, saving time and reducing reliance on direct support channels. Next, we have what is called standard support, and this is included with Microsoft 365 subscriptions, and standard support offers access to email and phone support, and this is for resolving non-critical issues during business hours. And then they have the Admin Support Center. This is designed for IT administrators, providing tools for managing user accounts, billing, and service requests. Then we have the advanced support options. So organizations with more complex needs, they can opt for paid support plans, such as Microsoft 365 Business Assist. And this is aimed at small and medium-sized businesses, providing tailored guidance. You have Premier Support. This is comprehensive support for enterprise customers, including proactive services, on-site support, and account management. And then you have Unified Support. This is a subscription model offering personalized enterprise-grade support with unlimited reactive support and a dedicated technical account manager. And then we have what are called fast track services. So Microsoft's fast track program, this is a free benefit for eligible customers, assisting with onboarding, which provides guidance on deploying Microsoft 365 apps and services, and then it offers adoption. So these are resources to drive user engagement and maximize ROI. All right, next, let's talk about the service level agreement concepts. So service level agreements, these are contractual commitments between Microsoft and its customers that define the expected performance and reliability of Microsoft 365 services. And understanding these agreements is crucial for organizations to ensure their expectations align with Microsoft's promises. So let's talk about some of the key elements of a service level agreement. So we have the uptime guarantee. So Microsoft 365 offers a financial backed SLA guaranteeing 99.9% uptime. If this target is not met, customers, they may qualify for service credits. We have the performance metrics. So these metrics include service availability, latency, and responsiveness. So for instance, Exchange Online, this guarantees data redundancy and seamless mailbox access. Then we have incident response times. So SLAs, they outline response times based on issue severity levels. You have the critical level, and this is high priority issues affecting many users or major business functions. Then we have the non-critical level. This is for minor issues with rounds available. And then there are service credits, and this is compensation for service outages that are calculated based on monthly uptime percentages. And also we have monitoring compliance. So Microsoft regularly publishes service level agreements compliance reports, ensuring transparency, and customers, they can access these reports through the Microsoft Trust Center, which also provides details about data protection and compliance standards. All right, next let's talk about how to track the service health status. So ensuring the uninterrupted performance of Microsoft 365 services requires constant monitoring, and Microsoft provides various tools and dashboards to help admins track service health and address issues proactively. So we have what is called the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So the Admin Center, this is the primary portal for IT admins to manage Microsoft 365 services. And here are some of the key features that are included. So it comes with the service health dashboard, and this displays real-time updates on service availability, and it highlights planned maintenance and current incidents. Then we have the message center. This provides announcements about new features, updates, and service changes. And then we have advanced diagnostics, and these are tools for identifying and troubleshooting issues directly within the admin center. Next, we have the Microsoft 365 Service Health API, and this is for organizations requiring deeper integration. The Service Health API allows admins to automate service health monitoring and receive incident notifications directly into their IT service management tools. We have mobile apps. So the Microsoft 365 admin mobile apps, they offer on-the-go access to service health notifications and user and license management tools. There are also third-party tools. So Microsoft's openness to integration enables organizations to use third-party monitoring tools for enhanced analytics and consolidated views of multiple cloud services. So by leveraging these tools, businesses can minimize downtime, maintain productivity, and resolve issues swiftly. All right, next let's talk about how organizations can share feedback on Microsoft 365 services. So Microsoft's commitment to continuous improvement is evident in its feedback-driven approach, and organizations, they play a crucial role in shaping the future of Microsoft 365 by sharing insights and suggestions. So let's talk about the Microsoft Feedback Portal. So the Microsoft Feedback Portal, this is a centralized platform for submitting suggestions where users can propose new features or enhancements. You can vote on ideas. So popular suggestions, they are prioritized for development, and you can also track progress. And this is where you can get updates on the status of submitted feedback. Then we have the customer success account managers. So for enterprise customers, the customer success account manager, they act as liaisons, gathering feedback and ensuring customer needs are communicated to Microsoft's engineering teams. And we also have user voice forums. So Microsoft previously used user voice forums for direct feedback. While these are now transitioned to the feedback portal, they provided a foundation for customer engagement. There are also surveys and polls. So Microsoft frequently conducts surveys to assess user satisfaction and gather insights on specific features or updates. Then there's also the Customer Insights Program. Through initiatives like Microsoft Customer Co-Creation Program, organizations can collaborate directly with Microsoft product teams and gain early access to new features. So by participating in these programs, businesses not only influence product development, but also gain strategic advantages in leveraging cutting-edge technologies. So in conclusion, support offerings for Microsoft 365 services are more than just a safety net. They are an enabler for businesses to harness the full potential of their technology investments. From self-help resources and tailored support plans to real-time service health monitoring and robust feedback mechanisms, Microsoft provides a comprehensive ecosystem to ensure customer success. Organizations that actively engage with these support channels and provide feedback stand to benefit the most, not only by resolving immediate issues, but also by shaping the future of Microsoft 365 to better align with their evolving needs. By leveraging these tools, resources, and support outlined in this video, businesses, they can optimize their Microsoft 365 experience and drive meaningful outcomes in the digital age. Now, with all of that being said, let's do some check on learning. So the first question is, which of the following is the primary tool to check the service health status of Microsoft 365 services? Would it be the Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Would it be the service level agreement document? Would it be the feedback portal? Or would it be Microsoft Teams? And the correct answer is it will be Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So the Microsoft 365 Admin Center includes a service health section that provides real-time status updates for Microsoft 365 services. It helps admins track ongoing issues, plan maintenance, and resolve incidents. Next question. What is a service level agreement in the context of Microsoft 365? Is it a document outlining pricing details for Microsoft 365 services? Is it a formal agreement that defines the level of service customers can expect, including uptime guarantees? Is it a feedback system for reporting bugs into Microsoft 365 services? Or is it a list of recommended configurations for optimal performance? And the correct answer is it is a formal agreement that defines the level of service customers can expect, including uptime guarantees. So Microsoft 365 SLAs, they specify the uptime and reliability standards that Microsoft commits to delivering. So for example, Microsoft guarantees at least 99.9% uptime for its services, with potential service credits for downtime that exceed that agreed threshold. And our final question, how can organizations provide feedback about Microsoft 365 services to help improve the products? Would it be by contacting technical support via phone? Would it be through the Feedback Hub or Microsoft 365 feedback portals? Would it be by attending Microsoft Ignite conferences? Or would it be through the Microsoft Teams collaboration tool? And the correct answer is it is through the Feedback Hub or Microsoft 365 feedback portals. So organizations, they can share suggestions, report issues, or request new features using Microsoft's Feedback Hub or dedicated feedback portals. And these platforms ensure user input is collected and considered for future product updates and improvements.